Now it's a time of a lot of speculations and many things which are being shown in the media, in the news channels and newspapers, Facebooks, WhatsApp about the prevailing corona condition. See, let us understand that there are three things what we have to do in our house so that we can come out of this condition very easily. I am giving you only three tips. Okay, follow this very whenever you have any problem or any congestion or anything you find in respiratory system or your throat and
Sir.
you have a cough like symptom, please follow this. First thing, take 1 liter of water. In 1 liter of water, take a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Take the baking soda, put it in the water,
How
allow
much,
it
sir?
to
How
boil.
much?
1 teaspoon of baking soda and put it in the water, allow it to boil and inhale the vapors. Don't drink it, inhale the vapors. The bicarbonates which are present
Okay.
in baking soda has a very decongestive action on the respiratory system. That's very important. Point number two, after doing this, do a back waza and then the chest waza to release any congestion in the muscles. And point number three, whenever you find time, see to it that you're getting your biowell checked, because biowell is giving very good indication in regarding to lung congestions well in advance. So you can take preventive measures across, and not only you, your relatives, your friends, whoever, whenever time permits, if they are in Mysore, you can ask them to meet us right in the foundation. We are available. But then see to it that these three things are followed with good drinking water. And of course, today drinking water, the best results we are getting in easy water. That's a fantastic results what we are getting in easy water, especially for lung congestion. So people in Bangalore, please be very careful. Corona spread is very high, so our only request is follow these protocols every day so that the congestions, lung congestions and the respiratory problems can be avoided to a greater extent. And of course, to improve your immunity, first thing, you have to have good diet. You have to have good vegetables, fruits, a balanced diet. If you cannot have that in this particular period, it's better to start with good multivitamins. So as a supplement, you have to have your multivitamins, increase the vitamin content of your body, see to it that your body is not deficient in any of the vitamins. That is one part of improving the immunity. Second part is drinking very good water, which your body understands, and that is the best water today available is the easy water. You can definitely go ahead and take with that. And if you have any complications in the body, whatever it may be, any complications in the body, getting a biowell scan is a must. Don't ignore on that, because biowell scans are giving pretty good indications in regarding with the respiratory conditions and in regarding with other organs and your immune system also. You can know how good is your immune system and how good it's going to be in coming days. So these are the three things which are to be done. That's the reason why I posted a test result also of one of the multivitamins, Modicare multivitamin. No wrong, no harm in definitely consuming it, because it improves the energetic body of ours and also the immune system is improved. And today what we want is only the immune system to be increased, to be improved. And to
Yes, sir.
improve the immune system, do whatever is possible. Okay, don't be a prey for such tiny viruses, so you have to take care of your body and see to it that if you have any doubts in regarding to following these parts, you can anytime call me up. I will be very grateful to help you all. Okay.